Hi guys, the summer is in and I'm gonna tell you 5 tips how to beat the heat this summer when you're on your motorcycle. The tip number 1, so whenever you ride anywhere, start as early as possible in the morning, as early as 4:35, so that you can cover the maximum kilometer in about from 5 o'clock to 10 o'clock, where before the sun is up, and by this way you can reach your destination in ease and you will not have any issues. So always make sure you start as early as possible in the morning during summer so that you can beat the heat and you miss out on all that sun. Tip number 2, always hydrate yourself as much as possible during summer rides, especially if you have a hydration bag. That's the best. So always look at carrying a hydration bag if you can have that budget. If not, carry a water bottle along with you so that you hydrate yourself throughout your journey and do not get dehydrated. And because as hydrated you are, the more comfortable you are on your motorcycle and the longer you can ride during summer rides. Tip number 3, always make sure you choose the right riding jacket whenever you're riding during summer. So if it's summer, make sure you use a mesh jacket like the one you can see in the picture, or use a textile jacket so that any of these material will breathe better, because most of your part of the body is covered by riding jacket when you're riding, and having a comfortable riding jacket makes a huge difference. Or use a all-weather jacket so that it has a proper ventilation, and make sure your riding jacket has proper protective gears like the elbow armor, shoulder armor and the back protector, and do not compromise on your riding jacket. Tip number 4, so always make sure you have the right set of gloves as well when you ride on a summer. So use a mesh or a textile based glove, or use a leather glove which has proper ventilation, because when you're riding during summer, your hands constantly on the handlebar and your hands tend to sweat, and this can get real uncomfortable. It's very important to have the right set of gloves as well during summer. So make sure you have the right pair of gloves like a mesh or a textile gloves. Tip number 5, last but not the least, always make sure you wear a sunglasses during summer ride, or a helmet which has a double visor which has a sun visor as well. So either of this works, because especially if you're riding between 11 to 4, which is normally not advised, but then for whatever reason you have to ride during that period, make sure you wear a sunglass, or make sure you have a helmet which has a double visor which actually gives you the sun protection. Follow these steps to make sure you have a comfortable ride this summer and beat that heat.